Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Creating a memorable video from your cherished photos and favorite music begins with thoughtful planning. First, decide on a clear theme for your project, whether it's a birthday, vacation, or special event. Then, carefully select your best pictures, ensuring they are high quality and tell a cohesive story. Arrange these images in the order you want them to appear. Finally, choose a music track that enhances the emotional tone of your visual narrative, setting the perfect atmosphere for your audience. Once your plan is set, it's time to choose the right tool. You have many options, from free online editors like Canva or Capwing, perfect for quick projects, to more robust desktop software such as DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. For beginners, a simple online tool is often best. Ensure your chosen platform allows you to easily import both your selected pictures and your music files, which is a fundamental requirement for this project. Now let's build your video. Begin by importing all your chosen photos and your music track into the video editor's media library. Drag and drop your images onto the timeline, arranging them in the sequence you planned. For a smooth pace, set each photo's display duration, usually between 3 and 5 seconds. Next, add your music track to the audio layer and adjust its length to match your video's total duration, ensuring a harmonious blend. With your photos and music in place, it's time for the finishing touches. Add subtle transitions between your pictures, like fades or dissolves, to create a professional and smooth flow. Consider adding text overlays or captions to highlight key moments or provide context. Carefully adjust the music volume to ensure it's not too loud or too soft. Finally, export your completed video, typically in a widely compatible format such as MP4, ready to share with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.